At least for a bird today, it's not so bad. This is just a disaster. Where the hell is your wrecked equipment?
Russian losses in Ukraine are staggering, and the fields are littered with destroyed Russian equipment. At the same time, Ukrainian drones are creating a so-called road of death across the occupied territories. Another Russian trudges along this road of death, complaining about destroyed equipment.
Where the hell is your wrecked equipment? It's called the Road of Death. Same here, damn it. Over there at dispatch. It's a complete mess, damn it. The little fountain is broken, damn it. It's blasting away. And we walk, damn it. Every day, damn it. Just went out and back, damn it. Now we're going back. Oh God. At least for a bird today, it's not so bad. This is just a disaster. They didn't let them out at all. They're all over the grid. They're blasting. Here are our tanks. Guys are driving around like crazy. The tower's blown off. It's a complete mess.
A video appeared in Russian Telegram channels showing Russian soldiers with injuries who are allegedly sent to the front lines without undergoing a military medical commission. The guys are sent to the front line without undergoing a military medical commission. All have referrals for hospitalization in Russia from the chairman of the Military Medical Commission. But we are not taken out. They hide us from the commission. We don't know what will happen to us next. We ask for help while there is still such an opportunity. We are given only 3 days of rest after being wounded and are sent straight into an assault. We are at the Rogovo firing range, they say.
Это пиздец просто, блядь. Ну, эпилепсия аж случилась, нахуй. Ебать. На костылях человек пошел на БЗ, блядь. Ебанулся.
In January 2025, fighters from the active operations units of the Defense Intelligence of Ukraine of the Ministry of Defense of Ukraine demonstrated exceptional skill and determination in targeting Russian forces in Zaporizhzhia region. Ukrainian scouts destroyed or severely damaged 53 Russian transport vehicles, 4 armored vehicles, and 4 mortars. They also neutralized over 50 enemy UAVs and obliterated critical Russian electronic warfare and electronic intelligence systems, including antennas and communication equipment. Furthermore, 2 enemy ammunition depots were successfully targeted and destroyed. Ongoing strikes have inflicted heavy damage on Russian engineering and fortification structures, with 200 damaged and 30 completely annihilated. These operations have significantly weakened the enemy's defensive and logistical capabilities. The human toll on Russian forces is equally severe. Over 130 personnel were either killed or severely wounded during the specified period, underscoring the precision and impact of Ukraine's tactical operations. U.S. President Donald Trump believes that Russian President Vladimir Putin is destroying Russia by failing to reach a peace deal on Ukraine, Trump told reporters at the White House on January 20. He should make a deal. I think he's destroying Russia by not making a deal, Trump said following his inauguration. The new U.S. president was sworn in at the United States Capitol earlier on January 20. Though his inauguration speech did not mention Ukraine, Trump has often claimed in the past that he would seek to bring a swift end to Russia's war.
You plan to speak with President Putin soon. What about President Zelensky, and what's your message?
Yeah, I would, but he's told me he wants to make a deal. Zelensky wants to make a deal.
What kind of
I don't know if Putin does. He might not. I don't know. He should make a deal. I think he's destroying Russia by not making a deal. I think Russia's going to be in big trouble. You take a look at their economy, you take a look at the inflation in Russia. So I would hope, I got along with him great, and, you know, I would hope he wants to make a deal.
Medvedev commented on Trump's inauguration on his Telegram channel. It is obvious that the main takeaway from the rather amusing inauguration of the U.S. president was the dialogue between the leaders of Russia and China, which took place after yesterday's event. It served as the best proof of the multipolarity of the modern world and the strategic partnership of our countries. Once again, it has become clear to everyone that the modern world is not interested in the golden age of America, which Donald Trump theatrically declared yesterday, but in the development and prosperity of all humanity. He ended the message with a phrase in Chinese. Let's work together to make the world a better place. Setting aside the claim itself, this is another proof of Russia's dependence on China on the global stage. Beijing will likely play a crucial role in any negotiations to end the Russian war in Ukraine, and everyone, Russia's elite included, understands that. During a special address at the World Economic Forum in Davos, European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen stated that the EU's gas imports from Russia went down by roughly 75%, and that it imports from Russia only 3% of our oil and no coal at all anymore. This energy freedom came at a price, von der Leyen said, but maintained that Europe will continue to diversify its energy sources.
Our gas imports from Russia went down by roughly 75%. And now we import from Russia only 3% of our oil and no coal at all anymore. Now the competitiveness depends on getting back to low and stable energy prices. Clean energy is the midterm answer. Already today, Europe generates more electricity from wind and solar than from all fossil fuels combined. But we still have lots of work to do to feed through these benefits to companies and people. Not only must we continue to diversify our energy supplies and expand clean sources of generation from renewables, and in some countries also from nuclear, we will have to invest in next-generation clean energy technologies, like fusion, enhanced geothermal, and solid-state batteries.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.